A directed graph is a pair of sets V E bar where V is a set of vertices and E bar is a set of ordered pairs of distant vertices called directed edges. We use the notation G bar for a directed graph unless it is clear from the context. A directed edge E bar UV is incident on U and V, and the vertices U and V are called the head and tail of E bar respectively. E bar is an in edge of V and an out edge of U in degree of U denoted by D of U is equal to the number of in edges of U, similar to the out degree of U denoted by D plus D minus U by D E plus U by equal to the number of out edges of U. An orientation of a graph G of VE is an assignment of direction of each edge. An orientation is called transitive if each pair is edges or each pair of edges UV and WV there exists an edge UW. If such a transitive orientation exists for a graph G, then G is called transitive or orientable graph. Definitions of subgraph path walk are easily extended to a direct graphs. A directed acyclic graph is a directed graph with no directed cycles. A vertex U is an ancestor of V and V is a descendant of U. If there is a UV directed path in G, a rooted tree of or getter tree is a directed acyclic graph in which all vertices have in degree 1 except the root, which has in degree 0. The root of a rooted tree T is denoted by root T. The subtree of T rooted at V is the subtree of T induced by the descendants of V. A leaf is a vertex in a arrayed acyclic graph with no descendants.